I'm teaching online from IYS school. I'm your computer teacher for class 3. So before starting lecture, I will give you some instructions. Listen all the instructions very carefully and follow all of them. Don't raise your hand during teaching. Ask question at the end of the session only on chat box. Use hand-free for mobile. Use hand-free for mobile and headphone for computer. Don't unmute yourself during teaching. Don't turn on your video during teaching and take screenshot of home tasks and keep your computer book with you. So I hope you all have Oxford Keyboard Book 3 3rd edition. So keep it with you. So today I'm going to teach you chapter number 3, that is Let's Learn KTurtle. Topic of the days are what is a KTurtle, is how to start KTurtle, how to enter commands, how to draw a square in KTurtle, how to save a program, what is the toolbar, and how to save an image. So first we learn what is a KTurtle. KTurtle is a free software to learn basic programming. KTurtle is a software and we use this software to learn basic programming. Now we learn what are the uses of KTurtle. KTurtle used for draw figures, type text, and we can also perform simple math calculation, and we can also solve sums on KTurtle like add, subtract, multiply and divide. So in KTurtle, just as you use a pencil to draw and write in your notebook, KTurtle uses a turtle for drawing. You use pencil to draw and write in your notebook, so just like that, KTurtle uses a turtle for drawing. This turtle can draw only when you give it a command. Command means order and instruction. So when you give instruction to turtle, so turtle start to move and draw figures. Now we learn how to start KTurtle. To start KTurtle, just click on the KTurtle icon on the desktop. To start KTurtle, just click on the KTurtle icon. So when you click on the KTurtle icon, the KTurtle screen will be disappear. So you can see KTurtle screen is divided into 3 main parts. This is the first part, and this is the second part, and this is the third part. So the KTurtle screen is divided into 3 main parts. The first part of KTurtle screen is editor pane, and we use editor pane to write the commands. Editor pane is present at the left of the KTurtle screen, and the second part of KTurtle screen is canvas. Canvas is in the middle of the KTurtle screen. You can see here, this is the turtle. Which picture is it? This is the turtle. And we use turtle to draw figures. When you type command in the editor pane, turtle start to draw figures. So turtle make your drawing on the canvas. Canvas is the area where turtle make your drawing. Third part of KTurtle screen is inspector pane, and we use this part. This part show the commands, show the information about the commands. So you can see here in the KTurtle screen there are 2 bars. First bar is called menu bar. On the menu bar you can see here there some actions has been listed, such as file, edit, view, tool, setting, help. So these are all action. And the second part of KTurtle screen is total bar. Total part appears just below the menu bar. Toolbar contains new button, open button, save as button, run button. So these all are button, and these all are allow you to quickly open any option. On the toolbar, you can see here there is also a console toolbox, and we can write one line command here. This is the execute button. It is used to run the command. So you can see at the bottom of the KTurtle screen there is a status bar. This bar shows line number and column number and also shows current language. So KTurtle is divided into three main parts: editor pane, canvas, and inspector pane. Entering commands. Notice the KTurtle in the middle of the canvas. You can see, as you know that the turtle is in the middle of the canvas. So let's learn how to make it move by entering commands in the editor pane. So this is the KTurtle screen. Type command in the editor pane. We type the command in the editor pane. The line numbers appear on their own. You can see here one is written, so line number appears on their own. You don't need to write the line numbers appear automatically. This is the run button. When you type command in the editor pane, then click on the run button to move the turtle. So now we learn how to draw. A square in KTurtle. We can draw different figures in KTurtle. So now we are going to draw a square in KTurtle. This is the KTurtle screen. First we write the command reset. So we are going to draw a square in KTurtle. So as you know that how many sides in the square? There are 4 sides in the square. So to make the square, we draw here 4 lines with the help of turtle. So first we write the command reset. Then we write command in line number 2 FW170. FW means forward. And we also write with this command along numbers. So FW when we write command the FW170, we click on the run button to move the turtle. So when we click on the run button, the command FW170 move the turtle in the forward direction by 170 steps. You can see here turtle move forward by 170 steps. Now we draw second line to make the square. So we write command here TR90. TR means turn right. So when we write this command and click on the run button, so turtle turn to the right by 90 degree. To draw the second line, we again write the command FW170. So when we write FW170, first write the command, then click on the run button to move the turtle. So when I click on the run button, turtle move forward by 170 steps. Now I will write again TR90 because I have to turn the head of the turtle. So TR90 command, turn the head of the turtle to the right by 90 degree. To make the square, I will draw the third line. So to draw the third line, I will write command again FW170. When I write FW170, the turtle will move in the forward direction. So first I write the command FW170, then I click on the run button. So when I click on the run button, turtle move forward, turtle move in the forward direction. Turtle move in the forward direction. Now I write again the command TR90. TR90 means turn right. So when I write here command TR90, click on the run button, then turtle move to the right by 90 degree. To draw the next line, I will write again the command FW170. First I write the command, then I click on the run button. So you can see here turtle move forward by 170 steps. Now I again write here TR90 because I have to again move the turtle to the right side. So when I write command TR90 here and click on the run button, so turtle will move to the right side. So you can see here which shape is it? This is the square on the canvas. So turtle make square on the canvas area. These are the complete commands for draw a square. You can take a screenshot of all these commands and do practice in KTurtle to draw a square. Now we learn how to save a program. To save a program, do the following steps. Step number 1, click the save button on the toolbar, or you can also click on file and save as. Step number 2, the save as dialog box appear. Step number 3, select the drive and the folder, then type the file name as square and click the save button. So now you can see here the save as dialog box appear. So is step number 3, first you select the drive and the folder. So I select here desktop drive. Then you will type the file name as square. Then you will click on the save button. So in step number 3, there are 3 steps. First you select the drive and folder, then you type the file name as I written here square, then click on the save button. Now we are going to learn about the KTurtle commands. So the first command is FW command. The full form of FW command is forward command. The FW or forward command is used to move the turtle in the forward direction. For example, if I write here FW 170, FW means forward. So when I write here command, I click on the run button, and when I click on the run button, the turtle moves in the forward direction by 170 steps. You can see here turtle is in the middle on the canvas, but when I write the command FW 170, so turtle move in forward direction by 170 steps. Second command is TR command. The full form of TR command is turn right. The TR or turn right command turns the head of the turtle towards the right. For example, when I write the command here TR90, so the command TR90 turns the head of the turtle towards the right by 90 degrees. So TR command turns the head of the turtle towards the right. You can see here when I write command TR90, then I click on the run button to move the turtle. So turtle head move towards the right. Next command is BW command. BW means backward command. The BW or backward command is used to move the turtle in the backward direction. So BW command is used to move the turtle in the backward direction. So first I write the command in the editor pane. This is the editor pane, and where we write the command, we write the command in the editor pane. So I write the command here BW60. BW means backward. So when I write the command FW60, turtle move in the backward direction by 60 steps. First I write the command BW60, then I click on the run button. So when I click on the run button, you can see here turtle move backward direction by 60 steps. Next command is TL command. TL means turn left. So The TL or turn left command turns the head of the turtle towards the left. This command turns the head of the turtle towards the left. For example, the command TL 100. TL means turn left. So when I write command TL 100, so it turns the head of the turtle towards the left. You can see here the head of the turtle moves towards the left by 100 degree. I also write the number with the command. So this is the toolbar. The toolbar appears just below the menu bar. Now we learn all the actions one by one. So the first button on the toolbar is new button, open button, save as button, run button, pause, abort, console and execute button. First we learn about the new command. So the new command is used to create a new file. We use new command used to create a new file. To create a new file, first click on the new button on the toolbar. Or you can also click on file, then click on new on the menu bar. So it clears the editor pane. Now you can type a different set of instructions. When you create new file, it clears the editor pane, it clears all the command and you can type a different set of instructions. Now see the example, file is open. Now I want to open a new file. So to open a new file, first click on the file, then click on the new button. So when you click on the new button, you can see here all the commands removed in the editor pane and new file is open. Second command is open command. The open commands open an already existing file. To open an already existing file, there are 4 steps. Step number 1 is click the open button on the toolbar, or you can also click on the menu bar, then on file and open. Click on the menu bar, then click on file and open. Step number 2, the open dialog box appeared. So this is the file. This is the menu bar. On the menu bar, first click on the file and click on the open. So the open dialog box appeared. This is the open dialog box. This is the open dialog box. So in step number 3, to open the file, first select the drive. So when you select the drive, then click on after selecting the drive and folder, select the file, then click on the open button. So there are 3 steps. First select the drive and folder, then select the file and then click on the open button. So when you click on the open button, the file will be open. So the next command is run command. This starts the execution of the commands you have typed in the editor pane. When you click on the run button, so turtle start to draw figures. When you type the command in the editor pane, where we write the command in the editor pane. And when you write the command in the editor pane, then click on the run button. So when you click on the run button, turtle start to draw figures. So you can see here there is a run button. When you click on this run button next to when you click on this symbol, so it shows different actions. It shows different actions like full speed, slow, step by step. So when you click on the full speed, turtle start to move very fast, and you will not able to see the movement of the turtle. So when you click on the slow option, so turtle start to move slow, and you will able to see the movement of the turtle. It stops the execution temporarily. It start executing again on clicking the run button. You have seen on the toolbar there is also a pause button. So when you click on the pause button, turtle stop to move. And when you click again on the run button, so uh, turtle uh, turtle will start move again. This is the abort command. It stops the execution permanently. Now we learn how to save an image in KTurtle. So there are different some steps to save an image. Which bar is it? This is the menu bar. On the menu bar you can see here there are different options like file, edit, canvas, run, tool, setting, help. So we are going to learn the step to save an image. So to save an image, first we click on the canvas. So when you click on the canvas, these there are different options. So what will you do? You will select the export to image PNG. First click on the canvas option, then select the export to image PNG. So when you click on the export to image PNG, so the save as dialog box appear. So save as dialog box appear. To save an image, first select the drive and folder. You can see here there are different folders. So in all of them, you select the drive and folder. So I select here desktop folder. Then write the file name. I write here Square Images. So type file name, and after typing file name, click on the save button. So these are the steps to save as picture, to save a picture. First select the drive and folder. First select the drive, then type file name in file name box. In file name box, then click on the save button. So there are 3 steps. First select the drive and folder, then type the file name, and then click on save button. I'm repeating again how to save an image. So to save an image, first click on the canvas. On the canvas, select export to image PNG. To save an image, we select export to image PNG. Then save as picture dialog box appear. So when the dialog box appear, first select the drive and folder. Then what will you do? You will type file name in file name box. I write here Square Images, and then click on the save button. So your picture will be saved in desktop folder. Now I'm going to share home assignment. Do question number 1, fill in the blanks, and question number 2, true false in book, page number 36. This is your book work. Do question number 1, fill in the blanks, and question number 2, true false in book, page number 36. This is your book work. You will do fill in the blanks and true false in your book. And this is your copy work. First, you draw the title page of chapter number 3. Then write the chapter name, Let's Learn KTurtle. Then write down the starting date, and then write down the ending date. On the next page, you will write outline. First, write the short question answer, then write descriptive question answer, and then write activity based question. You can take a screenshot of this slide. You will do all work should be done in your fair copy. You will do all work in your fair copy. So question answer, short question answer. Question number 1 is how to start KTurtle. You can find the answer on page number 27. Question number 2, what are the uses of KTurtle? You can find this answer on slide number 7. You can take a screenshot of slide number 7 and then write down the answer. Question number 3, what does a command mean? You can find answer on page number 27. Question number 4, define the following terms: canvas, editor, turtle. You can see answer in page number 35 in tricky terms. Then you will do descriptive question answer. Question number 1, in how main parts the KTurtle screen is divided and define each parts. Question number 2, write the steps of the following: new command, page number 32, open command, page number 32 and 33, saving a program, page number 30 and 31, saving an image, page number 35. After descriptive question, you will do on next page. First, write down the heading activity based question, then write down the question, write down the function and example of the following command. So first you draw the table. You will draw 3 columns. First write the command, then write the function, and then write the example. So there are different commands. You will write the function of these commands and you will also write the example of these commands. So first one I have done, and the remaining function you will be write. So FW, for example, FW. So what is the function of FW command? The FW or forward command is used to move the turtle in forward direction. And you will also write the example. The command FW170 will move the turtle forward by 170 steps and draw a straight line. So you will write the function of the remaining command and you will also write the example of these commands. You can see answer on page number 31 and 32. Then you will read all tricky terms and memory bites. Our lesson is finished here. Now I'm going to finish our lesson. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.